All right, here we go. Let's read this problem. Complete the chart for 45 pints of green paint. Mark was mixing blue paint and yellow paint in the ratio of 2 to 3 to make green paint. He wants to make 45 liters of green paint. He began to make a table to help him think about the problem, but is unsure of what to do next. All right, so I have 2 of blue and 3 of yellow makes 5 of green. I have 4 of blue and 6 of yellow makes 10. And when you look at this problem, it looks like, oh, each time we're going to double. But what I found out was you get a lot of paint, and then you're not quite at 45, so you double it to the next level, and you get a lot more paint, something like 70 liters. And you just don't want that because you're buying a lot more paint than you need to make this. So that's the kind of the cool thing about math is after thinking about this problem and after trying a couple things and doing it wrong, I kind of stumbled into what I really need to do for this. So I'm looking at this first line here. I got the 2 and the 3 and the 5. So here's how I ended up solving this. 5 is a factor of 45. 5 will go into 45. Okay, so how about if I just rewrite that here? I got 2, 3, and that makes 5 of the liters. And I want, when I'm all said and done, I want it to be 45. So what can I do to 5? What can I multiply it by to get 45? And the answer to that is 9. And since these are ratios and they need to be equivalent, that means we're doing the same thing with these others. So 9 times 3 is 27. And 9 times 2 is 18. If we add 18 and 27 together, carry the 1, we do indeed get our 45 liters. So this is how I would complete that chart. The missing row should be 18, 27, and 45. Again, this is a kind of a problem you need to sit at and look and try a couple different things, and suddenly it unravels for a person. Watch this video again to see exactly what I did if you still have a little bit of confusion.